In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove your accountant in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're bringing in a pro to help clean up your books or need to revoke access when a project ends, I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can manage this confidently. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the top right and open the settings gear icon. From the menu, choose Manage Users. In this area, switch to the Accounting Firms tab. This section is designed specifically for connecting with accounting professionals. Click Invite to begin. You'll see two ways to send the invitation. Enter your accountant's email or enter the firm ID provided by their practice. Email is great when you're inviting a specific person. A firm ID routes the access through their firm's account. If you're not sure which to use, ask your accountant which they prefer. Next, fill in the basic contact fields. Type the first name and last name and make sure the email address is accurate. Typos here are the #1 reason invites don't arrive. QuickBooks grants an accountant-level role that includes the specialized tools they need without exposing your personal login. When everything looks correct, select Save. That sends the invitation and adds the accountant to your list. You'll typically see a pending status until they accept on their end. If the invite isn't received within a few minutes, have them check spam, or you can resend later from the same page. When you need to remove access, head back to the same place. Open the settings gear, go to Manage Users, and return to the Accounting Firms tab. Find the accountant you want to discontinue and click the small drop-down arrow beside their name. Choose Delete to revoke access. Depending on your settings, you may be asked to confirm, and once you do, the change takes effect immediately. This does not delete any of your transactions or reports. It simply prevents that accountant from signing into your books. That's it. You've learned how to invite an accountant with the right permissions and how to delete their access when the work is complete. Keeping this list current is a simple way to protect your data while still getting expert help when you need it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along in your own QuickBooks Online account.